Now, anywhere on a color wheel, if we go to the opposite color, for instance, red here, let me spell that out for you. There's red. This is green. If I go opposite on the color wheel, this way, if I had a bright red, I could tone it down and make the color go down just a little bit, sort of gray it down a bit, if I added a touch of green. I know that's counterintuitive, but that is what happens. So here's an orange, and opposite orange on the color wheel is blue. I'm keeping this nice and simple. There's a lot of theories about color, and of course they can be very, very good. What I do, if I wanted to tone down that orange to not be quite so strong, I could add a little bit of blue to it, because that's opposite the color wheel, and that's going to make it grayer. If I add equal parts of orange and blue, I would get a gray. Here's yellow, here's purple. If I added those together, I would get a gray. If I had equal parts of red and green, I would get a gray. I'd get varying kinds of gray. So I just know those things are going to help me out when I need to tone the color a certain way.